If you're over the age of 30 in the summer months and then again in December, it seems like your mailbox is flooded with wedding invitations. And then you're stuck with what to buy the happy couple. Well, today I have 5 fun and practical wedding gift ideas for you that are also very inexpensive. Hey, I'm Lauren with One Haven Maven. Welcome, I'm so glad that you're here. On my channel, you'll find all things home related, whether it's being a better wife, a better mother, or just a better friend. I'm really passionate about helping women become the best version of themselves. So if that's something that interests you, then stick around. Okay, let's get right to the subject at hand, which is wedding gifts. Sure, you can buy something off the registry, there's nothing wrong with that, but I think it's great to have a few standby ideas at your fingertips in case something last minute pops up. And what I like about these 5 ideas that I've chosen is that I think they also have a really personal touch to them, which just shows the recipients that you put a little extra thought into it and it'll be super appreciated. This first one is the date envelope. Now, my sister-in-law actually gifted these to us 17 years ago when we got married, so it's one of my favorites. The idea is to have 12 envelopes, one for each month of the year, and inside those envelopes are simple instructions for your date, as well as a gift card or cash to spend on that date. And what I love about this is I feel like it's a really great reminder of the importance of continuing to date your spouse while you're married. It's just really important to have that time together and to not forget why you fell in love in the first place. These his and her mugs are so darling. I fell in love with them right away. I found them at a local outlet store called Burke's for only $7. I've seen similar products as these in Home Goods. They probably have some at Target, I'm sure on Etsy as well, and I will try to link some of those below. I paired it with a gourmet hot chocolate and put together, I think these make a great gift. Nothing quite says home like freshly made waffles. I love giving waffle maker as a gift because it's one of my favorite kitchen appliances. I got it on Black Friday a number of years ago for only $10. I love to pair a waffle maker with some of my tried and true waffle recipes. I just sit down and put them on some 3x5 cards and you have a super practical gift. This next gift is all from the Dollar Tree. These gorgeous oven mitts, the hand towel, the beautiful plate, which could be used for serving or for display. And I love to add to these some of my favorite recipes that I put in a Dollar Tree photo album, so it's easy to wipe off and switch them in and out as you please. The best part is this gift was only $4, but it looks like you spent a whole lot more. Last but not least is the romantic gift basket. Now, most of this came from the Dollar Tree as well, just to show you wedding gifts do not have to be expensive. I added in a small bottle of sparkling apple cider with 2 champagne flutes, a tropical scented candle, and some tropical lotion to set the mood. And last but not least, some tropical flavored goodies, which may or may not have been gone by the time the filming of this video occurred. I really think that any of these wedding gifts would be great to receive. They're fun, they're practical, and they're easy to put together. Not to mention, they're pretty easy on the wallet, which is great. Now, let me know in the comments down below, what is your favorite wedding gift to give, and what was your favorite wedding gift to receive? I'm always eager to gather more ideas. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos like this. And also that little notification bell will let you know anytime I post a new video. That's all for today. Bye guys, thanks for joining me.